So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Nerdy is the name. Today I am back with another video. Right, so just a calculator switch. Today we are going to do or solve trigonometric functions using our CASIO FX-991ES. Previously we've seen with the calculator that was 991EX. This is ES plus. Right, okay, perfect. Let's just start. Right, so the main thing we have to remember is what kind of angle unit you are looking for. So everybody mostly starting, we'll just go in an order. Okay, first we'll go with the, what do you call it, degree, then we'll go for the radians. All right, okay, cool. Now to change the angle we have to click on shift mode, okay, degree, that is 3. So it differs from calculator by calculator which you are using, depending upon that. What's that video? Degree. Great. Now I want sine 30 degrees. So I'll just go click on this. You can see here we have sine, cos and tan. Sine, what, 30. It is already in degree, so you don't have to do anything. We got 0.5, but I don't want it in decimal. So what I do is I just simply switch decimal to like fraction form. So all you have to do is click this, so that whatever symbol you're seeing, that is our fraction form. This, that is this 1/2. Okay, so don't get confused. Right, great. Now I want to do in cos. That is also, I got it in this thing. I'm gonna switch it. Okay, sorry, just not sure why it is not working. All right, 0.86, something wrong. Okay, let's give it a shot for tan. Sometimes it doesn't work. It's a really old calculator. It is supposed to work. Maybe it's not supporting. Okay, so 0.7. Let's try 0.7 in 77. Okay, normally 0.577 we have. Let's try. Okay, it's coming like this. Right, I think there is some settings issue with this, but yeah, usually you have to get it. Okay, when you convert it, usually you will get it max to max, you will. Okay, so now that is done. Degrees. Okay, now we'll try it in radians. Shift mode. Now in radians I want it is in 4. Great. Now sine I want pi. Okay, so what I do is pi by 2. Let's say pi by 2. So shift pi by 2, close the bracket, 1. Now I'll do it in cos. 0. Tan is infinity, I believe, so I don't think it'll show up. It'll go as error. Okay, great. Now that is sorted. So this is sine, cos and tan, right, in radians. Now we will see how to do those in inverse. Say if someone asks you what is the sine inverse of 1/2, so if you do this, what is the angle you will get in radians or in degrees, whatever they ask the question, depending on that we can do. So I'm just gonna close it. So I am gonna switch to degrees again. I like the switching part very much, I don't know why. So shift mode, degrees. Perfect. Now we want is inverse. So for inverse thing, you carefully have to observe here. Okay, shift sine inverse. Okay, now I want 1/2 value. Okay, this is the division form, or sorry, fraction form. Okay, now you just click on it. Shift pi by 2. sorry guys, not pi, it was 1 by 2. I was supposed to find this is inverse, no, I got confused. Okay, sorry for that. Sine inverse of 1 by 2 is 30. Okay, now let's give it a shot for cos inverse. Okay, 60. So this is the problem. It is a bit confusing, but if you have a question and they ask you what exactly you want, it'll be easier for you. Okay, here what I'm doing is I have a value, I am finding an inverse of it in degrees or radians. This is done. Okay, now let's just close it up. I want it in radians, so shift mode radians. Perfect. Inverse. Okay, inverse we're talking about. Shift sine inverse. Okay, radians as in let's try what we'll get. Same for 1 by 2. Close this one. We are getting 0.52. We should get in the pi form, but yeah, whatever. So sorry. Okay, so this thing is a bit confusing. Not sure why the calculator is giving what do you call it, this type of answer. I'm trying to convert it, but it's not working. So let's say your task is, I'll try to figure it out, but your task is, what you have to do is to check why this is happening. Okay, we have encountered this for something else also. Mostly only in radians I believe we are encountering, or else whenever we try to get a value, okay, in radians, we are encountering this issue. I am unable to shift this, and in inverse also. Okay, when you do something in radian, you're supposed to get a value 1 by 2 or root 2 by 2 or something like that, but we are getting it in the form of decimal, not in the form of a fraction. I'm trying to convert it, but it is not happening. So your task is to figure out why this is happening in this calculator. Previous calculator is pretty easy. We got everything we wanted. So I will sit and figure out why is it happening. But you know, nobody knows everything, right? So if you guys figure out an answer for it, know exactly why this is happening, just comment down in the comment section, so it'll be easier for other people also. I'll also check it out and I will put this in the description, or you know, I'll just comment it out as well. Right, that sounds great. Now that's it in today's video. Lot of confusions I believe, but hopefully the next one will be easier. Okay, all right guys, that's it for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.